What are the top 4 technical aspects that a first line leader needs to know when running their own business? Stay tuned and I'll let you know. Hey, my name is Johan Mailav. I'm the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. Recently I was asked by one of my customers to ensure that we have a homogeneous type of first line management. If you look at the technical aspects of leading people, what are the most important things that the leaders need to know? So my answer was, here are the top 4 things that a first line leader needs to know and master, I would say. Number 1, you have to make sure that the people that work for you or with you are safe. And when I mean safe, it doesn't mean that you tell them that safety is number 1. It means that you show them that safety is number 1. And meaning also that you actually discuss with them and you will work with them to ensure that safety hazards and unsafe conditions are removed. Talking about it doesn't help. Showing that it's important is key. Number 2, you have to be able and ensure that people are trained for the job they are doing. And budding up people with newcomers doesn't really help. Remember now, the people who are working in a machine or in an area might not actually work totally loss-free. So if they don't do that, how do you now know that the people who are trained are sufficiently trained and don't have any losses? Well, you don't. So what you need to do is have a structured approach to training and ensure that every little element of the work is trainable and has a control system, and there's somebody who can ensure that the person is trained and also assessed afterwards on an ongoing basis. Number 3, you need to know your losses. If you don't know the losses you have in the area you work with, let's say there are more than 50% of the time when people are working, a machine is running, it actually is down because of losses. This means that over half of the time when people are working, the machines are running, you don't know what's going on there. Totally unacceptable, obviously, for somebody leading an area. So you have to understand losses, and the definition of a loss is everything outside of ideal. So if you don't know what's going on when it comes to losses, look for it, learn what a loss is and how that can be attacked by people every day using a system like world-class manufacturing, for example. Number 4, you need to be able to communicate with people. And rumors come from people not communicating. If people are not communicated to, they will develop their own communication for sure. So you need to have a structure for communication, not just ad hoc when things come up and I tell them when I have something to say. People need to know that you on a regular basis, you will talk to them about what's important for the company, for the area you work in, and for the specific cell or group they're working in, and maybe also for them as individuals. And have a chance to talk to you as a leader to understand fully what's going on. So, safety, training, losses, and communication. This is key topics to work on as a first line leader, and absolutely essential to be really, really efficient as a leader. If you recognize this and you see a need for your people to learn more about this, don't hesitate to contact me. I'd love to talk to you about this. And also, like and share this video. And as always, thank you for listening.